In this video, I will focus on reports within Sales Manager. From the Sales Manager main menu, I'll select Reports. Here you can set your default printer. Here you will find reports associated to contracts, sales, vehicle inventory, purchase orders, invoices, payments, and because there are so many reports readily available for you, we have created a report that lists all of the different reports. Let's select vehicle inventory. Now you can choose between inventory, inventory aging, or exchange rate reports, which are all specific to inventory in general. I'll select inventory, and now you will see a list of all the reports associated to vehicle inventory. In the left column, you see the report format. On the right, you'll find the definition for that format. As you can see, there can be more than one definition for a single format. The type column will tell you if the report is a system report or a user report. All system reports are standard reports that automatically come with the software and can't be altered. You can see when I select a system report that the edit, delete, and rename fields are not available. A user report is a report that has been altered to suit that specific user's needs. You'll notice all options are available. Once you select a report, you have the option to preview and print, send it right to the printer without previewing first, export it to an Excel sheet. Output to Snapshot was specifically designed for taking physical inventory over in the parts and service portion of the software. Now let's preview the vehicle inventory handout sheet for customer. This report shows all open inventory currently on the sales lot. It's sorted by location and then alphabetically by class. This particular dealership has more than one location. That's why you're seeing so many pages. There's a total of 6 pages. Down at the bottom, you can go to the next page, or you can fast forward to the last page. This particular report is great for your salesman. Now let's say I wanted to see this report, but I only wanted to see my location, not all 3. We can do that. We'll simply leave this report highlighted. We'll come down here and we'll select Copy. Within the parentheses, I'll change it to say main location. I'll select OK, and now we can see we've created a user report. We're not done just yet though. At this point, it's still going to give us all 3 locations. We need to tell it what location we want. To do that, we'll come down and select Edit. Once you've selected your sorting type, we'll come over and we'll select this little icon with the 3 dots. And we're going to choose value, and I want the main location. So I'm going to select Universal RV Superstore. I'll select OK. It'll show the filter here. I'll select Next. And now when I look at this report, it's only going to show me my location. You can see here, it shows the filter name. Here's our location, and here's our vehicles sorted alphabetically. Now, after you've used the software for a while, you may find yourself printing the same reports over and over again every month. Instead of searching for each individual report, you can preview and print much faster using report groups. Let me show you how to do this. I'll select Report Groups, and you can see that there are system groups as well as user groups. These are the same as individual reports. The system groups can't be altered, but the user groups can. I'll select the system group End of Month Reports. And here you can see I can select an individual report by clicking on the eyeglasses to preview it. If I wanted to print it, I'd send it to the printer. Simply coming down to the bottom, selecting Print Reports. This is going to print all reports within that group for me. Now let's say you want to add that customized user report we set up to this group. I'll take the username that I see down here at the bottom and add it in front of the text above like this. I'll select Enter on my keyboard. I'll confirm that I do want to add a new group. I would then add all reports that I personally would like to see for the end of month reports. You can either select them from the list or we can type it in. Now let's find that inventory handout sheet. There it is. You can see the main location. That's one we created. And now I'd simply hit print reports and I'd have all the reports that were specific to me. You can see now that I do have the recycle bin, which I can remove a report if I needed to. Be aware that user reports and groups are specific to the individual user that sets them up, meaning only the user's name that you see down here at the bottom will be able to view and print or edit these reports within this group, which gives the user a measure of privacy. That covers our reports and group management within Total Management Evolution software.